on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, we are unboxing or unbagging the Glitz Glam box for May 2020. Glitz Glam is $15 a month and you also pay for shipping. I think it ends up being around $18 total. In most cases, you typically get a glitter and a pair of lashes, and that's how I have been building up my lash collection. I have really been enjoying lashes, says the girl that isn't wearing lashes in this look today. I have been enjoying it. It's also great to build up my indie brand collection as well. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get unboxing. The packaging of Glitz Glam seems to vary month to month. I guess it depends on which items are going to be featured. For April, we had a little bit longer of a mail wrap. I think it was also silver. Now we have hot pink, almost like how IPSY's packaging used to be. A fun option that Glitz Glam offers is you can double or triple the glam. I forgot to do that again this month, and I don't think I got an email to customize my box. Oh, stuff is falling. Let's see if I can lift this up without everything just crashing down. Ta-da! And we got some pressed eyeshadows as opposed to the loose glitters, and I can get down with that. And we also got a very adorable little case to put everything in. This is from GLITZGLAMBOX Cosmetics. It's a Z palette, and this retails for $10. I have been needing a Z palette so bad because I have been setting aside some palettes to depot just the shades that I want and decluttering the rest. My eyeshadow palette collection is enormous, and there's a lot of palettes that get forgotten, pushed aside, collecting dust in the very back of the drawer, and I don't know, there's like maybe 1 or 2 shades in that palette that's why I'm holding on to that palette. And if I can declutter and make up some space, then that would be great because it does get overwhelming. So this will definitely come in handy. And we got 2 shades from Pinky Rose Cosmetics, a single shade duo that retails for $5.98, so divide that by 2. I think that's a pretty fair price for single shadows. I'm gonna open this up, that way we can put the shadows inside. I recognize the name, but do I own anything from Pinky Rose? So this shade is Coconut, and it's a shimmer. And then we have a matte called Maui. I miss Hawaii. I really want to go back to Hawaii at some point. So this Z palette will hold up to 9 shades that are this size. And let's do some swatches. Ooh, they feel creamy. That's what they look like. Very neutral. Oh, that shimmer though, it reflects really nice in the light. It's hard to tell with my box lighting, but I think that this would be a fun shade all over the lid. You know, I wonder if doubling or tripling the glam, you would be able to get more of these single eyeshadows. I know I could always be down for more. I wonder what other colors they had to offer in the variation. Let me know in the comments, did you get Coconut and Maui, or did you get different colors? I liked how both shades swatch, and I know I have some other eyeshadows that will be potted and joining these two. I'm really happy to receive a magnetic palette. It's something that I've been wanting. I feel like the 2 single eyeshadows is a bonus. That way you're not just left with an empty magnetic palette. That way you can start building your single eyeshadows collection or depotting like me. These 2 products right here are just over $15, which is how much you paid for the bag. So essentially you can look at these next 3 items as free. Next we have by GLITZGLAMBOX Cosmetics. Again, we have these lashes. Oh my gosh, these are perfect. This is a lash style I was actually looking for this look because it's a very summery, bubblegum, cotton candy, flirty fairy princess look, and I didn't want very dramatic lashes because that would take away from the look. I didn't want my lids to be covered from lashes since I do have hooded eyes and they can get lost really easily. These are faux mink lashes and they retail for $9.99. I would definitely use for this look as well as more neutral looks. I feel like these lashes is how my natural lashes should look like, but they don't. I never really put lashes with my neutral looks, and I feel like these would be perfect for them. That way they could be used for work or just for running errands. Looks like I got the style flirty. I think I even described this look as flirty. It's meant to be. By Rude Cosmetics, this is the Berry Juicy Lip Gloss that retails for $5. I have tried a couple of products from Rude Cosmetics, and this shade, whew, she a bright red gloss. I hope it doesn't pull orange. I got Code Red. I love that drink by Mountain Dew. Kind of want some. Been trying to cut back on soda. Quarantine did me dirty. It says, this wet glossy lip look is here and without the sticky glue-like feel. Oh my gosh, I hate when glosses are sticky because if it's windy outside, it goes whoosh. Yeah, it's gonna stick and not be good. Luckily, this gloss that I have on by Rude Cosmetics is not that sticky. I don't know, it's just really gross, just that peel off feel they got stick all over your face. Not a good time. Only soft, supple, moisturized lips that will have people puckering up for more. And it does look like a very runny gloss. And that is what it looks like swatched. It looks a little bit more runny and not as opaque as the gloss that I'm wearing right now. So maybe I'll have to pair it with some red lipsticks. Maybe it could pair with my Too Faced Lady Balls liquid lipstick. We'll have to test it out and see. And then the last product we have by the brand Otaki, I don't know how to say it. Rose Passion 100% natural rose water hydrating face mist. And this retails for $10. So is it a setting spray, a toner? It says for all skin types and all day. 1.69 fluid ounces. Has the serial number and the expiry date. 100% natural. Contains only natural Mediterranean rose water. That sounds bougie. Does not contain colorants, synthetic essences or perfumes, parabens, silicones, mineral oil, or animal products. Let's give it a whirl. I enjoy rose in my skincare. I find it very refreshing and hydrating. Definitely in my toners is like the step that I like the most, because right after you cleanse and you put the toner on, I feel like that rush of moisture coming back to my face, and then when I put my moisturizer on, I feel all nice and balanced. Okay, so I did not need as many spritz as I did, but it has a very nice spray radius. I felt like I could really use like maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spritz in total, and my whole face would have been nice and set or refreshed. I think it's gonna be more of a toner than it is a setting spray. It has that rose scent to it, but it's not overwhelming. But if I did keep this in my purse just for a pick-me-up, even though I don't really wear foundation throughout the day, especially now with it getting really hot, my foundation is gonna be melting off either way. Nothing could save it. I know that I have dry skin and I can lose moisture throughout the day. Even if I use a heavy-duty moisturizer, I am bound to lose the hydration and moisturize. So I like to keep sprays like this in my purse. I think I have the Fresh one right now. It has more of like that aerosol misty feel, where this is more of like a dispensed spray, but I definitely see myself getting use out of it. I like the smell. I like how it felt. It had a good spray radius. It checks off the boxes. Usually for spray toners, I don't really like the component of how it's dispensed. It's usually not enough or it's too much, and I feel like this was right in the middle. I see myself keeping this component to be able to dump and fill other toners. I'm not one for spray toners. I usually like to dispense it onto a cotton round and tone like that. I don't know, maybe I'll try it with some setting sprays, because there are some setting sprays that I just cannot stand the components they come into. GLITZGLAM, I thought was a pretty solid box. I'm very excited for all the products. I think like if I had to choose a least favorite, it would probably be the gloss. It just didn't wow me. I find myself being very picky with glosses because I'm just not the biggest gloss fan. It's something that I've been doing more recently over lipsticks, and it's not sticky, and it gives like that nice gloss plump effect without it being sticky, as well as that allergic reaction that I typically get from plumpers. Just didn't meet that expectations, but I didn't try it on my lips, so it might look a little bit better trying it on its own or paired with a liquid lipstick. These lashes, I am obsessed with the style. I don't have many styles like this or at all in my collection. I know I could definitely use that. I've already praised how much I'm very excited for this product, and then as I mentioned earlier, I definitely needed another magnetic palette to be able to depot some more. It was more of a perk for me to get 2 shades to already fill this in. I feel like I got my money's worth, because essentially these products were free and all I paid was for this, as if I did buy myself a magnetic case. I would love to know if you guys get GLITZGLAMBOX, and what products did you get? Did you guys get the same case or shades as me? Was there a gloss variation as well as a lash variation? And did you guys double or triple the glam? Were the products that you added on more eyeshadow shades or a gloss, or did they have different style of lashes? I don't know. I missed the memo for that, and I'm a little sad because I definitely use more pairs of these or different styles. And do you plan on getting June's box? Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.